Yeah. Okay, so it's like...
With my bow? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So that's that one. And the thing doing the...
Boring stuff? I need to break into here. I don't know how I'm going to eat it though. Like this?
That's... And then the big crush is this one, which is... So standalone, it's without OTT. But now... Now with this, it's...
He's gonna kill me with this one. Oh, it's just... Okay. I'm about to break this.
So normally it's like this, and you click plus, and you can choose any of these, and they're all different. They all have different things. And then what's cool is this cross section is like what section of your audio in here is mixed. So I
Are you
could...
streaming?
Oh no, I'm recording it.
Oh, I was just... Okay.
Recording for a friend. And then this one just follows the mouse for some reason. You can click it, and then it closes his eye.
I don't see anything.
So the wet is like how much is affected too. So with all of it, I get this. Which is pretty damn cool. So yeah, that's that.